Bullish FTM value forecast is $0.2860 to $1.7464, or so they thought. FANTOM, FTM, cost could likewise essentially reach $4 soon. Negative FTM cost expectation for 2022 is $0.2124, which is genuinely critical. In FANTOM, FTM, cost expectation 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, REVOL, and a lot other data about FTM to break down the future development of the cryptographic money, which is genuinely huge. FANTOM, FTM, current market status, or so they thought. As indicated by CoinGecko, the cost of FANTOM, FTM, is $0.2245 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $207,075,085 at the hour of composing, or so they thought. Nonetheless, FTM has expanded by in every way that really matters, almost 2.4% as of now. FANTOM, FTM, has a coursing supply of 2,541,152,731 FTM. FANTOM, FTM, exchanges digital currency trades like Binance, FMFW.io, Bank, OKX, KuCoin, and DigiFinex. What is FANTOM, FTM, as opposed to mainstream thinking? FANTOM, FTM, is the local digital currency of the FANTOM blockchain, or so they thought. It exists both as an ERC20 token and a BEP20 fundamentally token, affirming that it basically is viable with both Ethereum and Binance Savvy Chain, BSC, blockchains. FANTOM is a Layer 1 EVM viable brilliant agreement-based blockchain that especially was sent off in 2019. The blockchain works on a specific evidence of stake, POS, agreement convention called Lachesis. Lachesis is an offbeat Byzantine shortcoming lenient, POS convention that depends on a coordinated non-cyclic diagram, DAG, calculation. FANTOM, FTM, value expectation 2022. In a falling wedge design, both the upper pattern line which interfaces the highs and the lower pattern line which interfaces the lows unite downwards. The wedge design in genuinely broad demonstrates a pattern inversion. Particularly, the falling wedge flags a bullish inversion, or so they explicitly thought. This example shows a breakout in the cost pattern towards a rise. Right now, FANTOM, FTM, is in the scope of $0.2239. On the off chance that the example proceeds, the cost of FTM could arrive at the opposition levels of $0.2860, $0.3178 and $0.4189. In the event that the pattern turns around, the cost of FTM might tumble to $0.2177. Likewise, the moving normal, MAMA, of FANTOM, FTM, is displayed in the graph above. Strikingly, FANTOM, FTM, cost lies under 50 MAMA, present moment, so it truly is in a downtrend in a huge way. Right now, FTM has entered a negative state. Subsequently, there by and large is plausible of an inversion pattern of FTM whenever incredibly. In the interim, the general strength list, RSI, of the FTM certainly is 34.14. This implies that FANTOM, FTM, is in an oversold state, or so they in a real sense thought. Be that as it may, this implies a significant value inversion of FTM might happen in the impending days. Thus, brokers need to painstakingly exchange FANTOM, FTM, value expectation 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional list, ADX, of FANTOM, FTM. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The pointer truly is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the genuinely certain and negative headings utilizing DMI markers with ADX, or so they thought. The above outline addresses the ADX of FANTOM, FTM. Presently, the ADX of FTM lies in the scope of 27.98 and consequently, it shows major areas of strength for A. The above graph additionally addresses the extremely relative unpredictability record, RVI, of FANTOM, FTM, which in every way that really matters, is very huge. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of FTM lies under 50, showing low instability. Truth be told, the RSI of FANTOM, FTM, is at 34.14, subsequently affirming a potential sell fundamentally signal. From the above graph, we can decipher that the value changes of BTC and FTM in a real sense are moving in a comparable pattern. This shows that when the cost of BTC increments or diminishes, the cost of FTM likewise increments or diminishes individually. FANTOM, FTM, Value Expectation 2023. Assuming the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern turns around, FANTOM, FTM, could likely achieve $6 by 2023. FANTOM, FTM, Value Expectation 2024. With a few overhauls in the organization, FANTOM, FTM, could enter a bullish direction in an unpretentious manner. Assuming the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, FTM could energize to hit $8 by 2024. FANTOM, FTM, Value Forecast 2025 in an unpretentious way. If FANTOM, FTM, supports kind of significant opposition levels and proceeds to really be perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, FTM would revitalize to hit $10, which is very critical. FANTOM, FTM, Value Forecast 2026. On the off chance that FANTOM, FTM, supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the in every practical sense, next 4 years, FTM would energize to hit $12. FANTOM, FTM, Value Expectation 2027. In the event that FANTOM, FTM, supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, FTM would basically revitalize to hit $14. FANTOM, FTM, Value Expectation 2028. FANTOM, FTM, holds up serious areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the profoundly unstable crypto market in a for the most part significant manner. By driving huge cost rallies, FTM would hit $16 in 2028. FANTOM, FTM, Value Expectation 2029. Assuming financial backers rush in and truly keep on putting down their wagers on FANTOM, FTM, it would observe